Have you heard of Winner Shipper?
There we land.
Oh, he is an absolutely huge TikTok sensation and a money printing machine. Over the past 24 hours, this guy has made waves over TikTok and has been killing it. But I wanted to dive a little bit deeper. If he was a part of the Creative Fund, how much would this guy earn? What? This little kid has a career in journalism, but he also has a career of becoming a full-time content creator. Over the past 24 hours, he has uploaded 5 times, and one of those videos didn't really count because it wasn't his content. He was just saying that there's a fake account. Now hold on, this is very important. The current RPM in the football scene is 10p per 1,000 views, which doesn't sound like a lot, but in the last 24 hours, this is not recording his most popular 8.8 million video. He has had 5 videos that have done okay. First video, as I said, doesn't count, 113k views. For a normal person, that's great. Second video is 1.4 million views. Third video is 1.1 million views. His fourth video is 570k views. And finally, the fifth video of the day is 1.3 million views, taking his total to 4.6 million views over the past 24 hours. The reason why I think this is incredible is because if you do the maths, 4.6 million views on the Creative Fund is £460 every 24 hours. And say he only creates 5 videos every other day, he will earn a whopping £6,900 a month. And that's not including YouTube, that's not including anything else. Now the question is, how has he done it? Well, you have to look at Fabrizio Romano.
Here we go.
Who is a credible journalist, and he's taken his content and given us some freshness. He's actually just reinvigorated himself as the new Fabrizio Romano, but for TikTok. So whatever tweets that we see from Fabrizio Romano, he just repurposes it onto his platform, and this is how he makes his content. So if you want to be a full-time creator, you just need to think about these 3 words. There we land.